and all the dignitaries on the dais, and after dais, the parents, the teachers, and my dear students. I would not like too much time. I was just discussing with my friend, Mr. Subbaya. I'm the last speaker. Last is LOST or LAST, and I was asking them. This is to cheer up, I'm making this statement. But I would not like to take much time. Well, this is an education institution. I was meeting all places wherever I had an occasion to speak. The education is the one which is the property or assets which the institution and the parents gives to them, and that cannot be misused at any point of time. I was just passing through Swami Shivananda's book where they were mentioning it. Education is a root, culture is a flower, and wisdom is the fruit. Look how deep it is. Education is a root, and ultimately our root is the education. To identify any place that is an educated man, educated person, I'll put it that way. Flower. As he grows up, the flowers come up. How much of respect, divine value the flowers have. Wisdom is a true fruit. People enjoy it. In a tree, these three are in every individual. The question is how we make it and make use of it. There was an interesting aspect when a Dubai king went to his airport and received Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma when he was the president of India. Received him in the airport, took him in his car by himself, driving the car, and took him to the palace. Then people asked them, Excellency, how is that you are received the Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma and took him there? He made a statement, he was my teacher. Look at the love and affection that has been attached. And what I'm saying is, every teacher is your father or mother, and the students are devoted son or daughter. That has to be developed. Yes, I understand now. Swami Shivananda's book also, it was mentioning lot of commercialization has crept into our education system. I was wondering, where are we heading to? Both educationalists and students both have become commercialized. What are we expecting? You take this course because you can prosper here or you can make money. Where does it end? What happened to your individuality or your intelligence or a particular aptitude certain students have? I was just given to understand one of the boy who was very good, though not in education. All this, our pamphlets and other things have been printed here. He's a wonderful boy. He was been awarded now. Sorry? Kevin. Think of the issues. Is it that a doctorate given him in MBBS first class or engineering first class, would he become an expert? Never compel the students to do particular job unless he is interested in it. The more pressure you put it, I don't know where does it end. I have a boy who passed it, his engineering in master and abroad. He came back to India and did his law and is practicing law. Where is the connection? I did my BSc also, physics, mathematics, chemistry, and took up law. In the sense, there must be an aptitude for every student which subject he likes. Don't enforce them. No, as I said, our education system is commercialized. This has to take a change, perhaps on account of our improper advice of the politicians or some other reason. It requires immediate change. Otherwise, this matter has been discussed also. Thereby, unless this has been brought into practice, I know there will be a lot of issues with the students. Every student, I'm making the position very clear to you. If you don't have value for humans, man or woman, boy or a girl, then what sort of a life you are leading to, or what sort of individual you are in? Two things which is striking to my mind all the time is two things. One is you must have value to the human beings. Number two, it's not that the animal should be discarded. I'm not saying that. To live happily and comfortably. The other is patriotism. Both are lacking, but our education books, which is not, there is a finding short in this. Unless you practice these two aspects, so many issues get covered. I am practicing law, I am fully aware of it. There are students who have passed out their IPS, IAS, IRS, IFS, and I find them that relationship with the men are not that cordial. The reason is bad childhood. Where do you get the good childhood? Practice with your parents, teachers are the only teachers who can bring you up in this regard. And even with your degree, and if you don't have proper behavior, what sort of a life you would be leading, and what is the life you are going to teach your children? I was interacting with some students. They were asking to the parents, no, daddy, your time is different. Now our time is different. Correct? I say. Then I put another question to them. When you become the parents and your children behave in this manner, then you answer them. For primarily, you have to concentrate in this aspect. As long as you don't concentrate, I will tell you, our life will become waste, either boy or a girl. The main reason for distracting this is, what I found is, our bad food habits, our fashion. The other is the team which you are meeting. I would put it way, the gangs which you connect with. Team is one which is a respectful word. Gang is the word which is slightly disturbing the word. Detach them, observe them very closely, or else your future is going to be blocked. I request every individual, especially students, you have tremendous knowledge, intelligence, and efforts. You can get it, they achieve the object what you wanted to, but it's getting distracted on account of these three mainly, which I said: bad food habits, and bad gangsters. The other is fashion. Of these things, in foreign countries, there are so many things which is taking place. We far away we see, and what does it can be introduced in India and start doing this. Even in Americans, we kill. USA is such a beautiful country. Do you know what is happening there? Your culture, if it is taken, they can't match with India at all. Now yoga and all that they started now cultivating there. How and why? Indian culture is one of the best culture in the world, which I will tell you. But only question is, we ourselves have no respect for it. Please don't practice such things. Your future is going to be blocked in case all the three things which I said to be eliminated from your mind, and start practicing as a human being and respect the other human being, irrespective to the other persons. His quantity and qualities wise is another part of it. So I request all the students to adhere not only to your education, commercial education, add this also into this to develop yourself. Then I congratulate the students who have achieved and received their prizes here. But same time, your days are not far away to again come back and achieve. About 80 and odd